are rules on the books currently that date back to the 1970s for financial accounting as it relates to expense capitalizations for oil and gas. So two main capitalization methods when we're talking about oil and gas drilling. There's the successful efforts method and the full cost method. For the successful efforts, only successful drilling costs are capitalized. All costs for dry wells must be expensed as incurred when using this method. The full cost method, all costs, regardless if they're successful or dry wells, they are capitalized. So this can be a significant difference. Now, in 1977, FASB issued an exposure draft. This led to the issuance of SFAS number 19. It required all companies to use the successful efforts method. The result was a dramatic decrease in reported earnings, so it became a political issue very quickly, even though this was the 1970s. Oil and gas companies strongly lobbied for rule reversal. Congress and SEC pressured FASB to reverse the ruling. Because remember, Congress has the ultimate authority. Congress created the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, who then, you could almost say, outsourced the rulemaking process to FASB. So they do have the ultimate authority. So what is the FASB current rule as it states? Now this is recorded in 2015. Companies have choices of using the successful efforts or the full cost method. The difference is FASB maintains a strong encouragement of the use of the successful efforts method, but they do allow the full cost method. This may sound very familiar to something you've studied. Remember the statement of cash flows. FASB strongly encourages the direct method, but because of political pressure, the rule was written to allow the indirect, the much more preferred indirect method. Same thing here. FASB still believes, even the board today believes, that the successful efforts method is the one that should be followed. But because of all that political pressure, they allow the full cost method. Looking at some comparative journal entries, successful efforts. I record an oil deposit of $5 million, exploration cost of dry wells, $20 million, and cash of $25. With the full cost method, I'm allowed to capitalize the entire $25.